sees my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.
The Sky High Altitude Platform Station, or HAPS, represents a groundbreaking advancement in atmospheric technology, offering a unique solution for modern communication, environmental monitoring, and real-time data collection. These innovative, solar-powered airships are engineered to operate in the stratosphere, floating at altitudes of around 65,000 feet above Earth's surface. At such heights, they serve as stable, high-capacity platforms capable of delivering services traditionally handled by satellites and terrestrial infrastructure. What sets SkyHaps apart is their ability to be repositioned with precision, making them significantly more adaptable than orbiting satellites. This flexibility allows for targeted regional coverage and the capacity to support specific missions on demand. Whether it's providing emergency communication during natural disasters, conducting long-term environmental research, or extending internet access to underserved remote areas, these platforms are redefining what's possible from the sky. Their long-duration flight capabilities mean they can remain airborne for weeks or even months, delivering continuous support without the high costs or environmental impacts associated with satellite launches. Sky's vision merges sustainability with cutting-edge aerospace engineering, offering a cleaner, more efficient, and highly scalable alternative to traditional ground-based and space-based systems. As global connectivity and climate monitoring needs increase, platforms like these are set to play a pivotal role in bridging the digital divide and safeguarding our planet. Nokia's Technology Vision 2030 outlines a bold and transformative future powered by the next generation of wireless connectivity, 6G. This vision imagines a world where ultra-fast, low-latency networks act as the backbone for an entirely new digital era, enabling technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, immersive augmented and virtual reality, and real-time automation to flourish. With 6G, industries will be redefined through hyperconnectivity. Smart cities will become more intelligent and responsive, and innovations such as autonomous vehicles and automated infrastructure will operate with unprecedented precision and speed. Central to this future is Nokia's commitment to sustainability, placing energy-efficient networks and carbon-neutral infrastructure at the forefront of its technological development. Nokia also emphasizes the importance of cybersecurity, deploying AI-powered systems capable of anticipating and neutralizing ever-evolving digital threats. As edge computing becomes more advanced and global digital access expands, Nokia's 2030 vision aims to bridge the digital divide, bringing reliable, high-speed connectivity to underserved regions and empowering individuals and communities alike. This isn't just about faster data. It's about reshaping how we live, work, and interact on a global scale. Nokia's roadmap for 2030 champions a world where innovation drives inclusivity, security, and sustainability, paving the way for a smarter, more connected, and equitable future. Esteco is a leading technology company that delivers powerful software solutions specifically designed to enhance engineering design, optimization, simulation, and process automation. At the core of their offerings is Mode Frontier, a flagship product trusted by engineers and designers across a wide range of industries, including automotive, aerospace, energy, and more. This advanced platform allows users to manage and optimize complex workflows by integrating cutting-edge algorithms, machine learning, and multi-objective optimization techniques. With Mode Frontier, engineers can simultaneously explore countless design alternatives, enabling faster and more informed decision-making. One of the key strengths of Esteco's technology lies in its ability to improve collaboration across teams, helping organizations break down silos and unify efforts under a single, streamlined process. This not only boosts efficiency, but also significantly shortens product development cycles while improving overall performance and quality. By automating repetitive tasks and allowing engineers to focus on innovation, Esteco empowers businesses to bring smarter, better-performing products to market faster. The software's flexibility and adaptability also mean it can be seamlessly integrated with other simulation and CAD tools, creating a cohesive digital environment for optimal results. In a world where engineering challenges grow increasingly complex, Esteco stands out as a vital force driving digital transformation, efficiency, and innovation on a global scale. The evolution of slip rings and rotary joints has marked a significant milestone in modern engineering, enabling seamless transmission of power and electrical signals from stationary structures to rotating systems. These seemingly modest components are absolutely essential in a vast range of industries and technologies. Whether it's wind turbines converting the raw energy of nature into usable electricity or high-precision industrial machinery operating under rigorous conditions, the efficiency and reliability of these systems depend heavily on advanced slip ring technology. Companies like Schleifring have become industry leaders by delivering cutting-edge solutions that push the boundaries of performance and reliability. Their slip rings are designed to operate under extreme conditions, offering unmatched durability, precision, and stability. These features make them indispensable not only in common industrial applications, but also in high-stakes environments such as aerospace and defense. From life-saving medical equipment to mission-critical defense systems, their technology ensures continuous, uninterrupted operation when it matters most. Schleifring's commitment to quality, innovation, and engineering excellence positions them at the forefront of a rapidly evolving field. As the demands on modern machinery increase, so does the need for components that can handle high-speed rotation, data transmission, and rugged environmental conditions. Challenges their products consistently meet with excellence, helping keep essential systems functioning flawlessly across the globe. Viverse is a next-generation metaverse platform that seamlessly integrates artificial intelligence to redefine how users interact in virtual environments. At the heart of this digital universe, AI plays a transformative role, crafting experiences that are not only interactive, but also intelligent and deeply personalized. Unlike traditional virtual spaces, Viverse leverages machine learning algorithms and real-time data analysis to create dynamic, evolving worlds that adapt to the user's behaviors, preferences, and needs. Intelligent virtual assistants guide users through their experiences, offering support, making suggestions, and even learning from ongoing interactions to provide increasingly relevant responses. AI-powered avatars and characters add another layer of realism by adjusting their behavior based on context, making conversations and encounters feel more natural and emotionally resonant. Users can customize virtual environments to reflect their style, mood, or purpose, whether it's for socializing, entertainment, work, or commerce. These smart spaces react to user input, enhancing immersion and engagement. As a result, Viverse doesn't just simulate reality, it creates a living, breathing digital world that evolves with its community. With its blend of AI and immersive 3D interaction, Viverse is shaping the future of how we connect, play, learn, and do business in the metaverse, opening the door to a truly intelligent and responsive virtual society. NASA's Capstone mission represents a pivotal step in humanity's return to the moon and its broader ambitions for deep space exploration. Capstone, which stands for Cislunar Autonomous Positioning System Technology Operations and Navigation Experiment, is a compact yet highly sophisticated CubeSat satellite. Its primary goal is to test and validate a unique lunar orbit known as the Near Rectilinear Halo Orbit, NRHO. This specific orbit is of great interest because of its remarkable stability and efficiency, requiring minimal fuel for a spacecraft to maintain its trajectory, an essential quality for long-term missions. This is the same orbit that will be used by NASA's upcoming Gateway space station, a critical component of the Artemis program, which aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon and serve as a launch point for future missions to Mars. Capstone's mission is to demonstrate autonomous navigation capabilities and gather crucial data on orbital dynamics, communication, and propulsion within this unusual cislunar environment. By enabling spacecraft to position and navigate themselves without relying entirely on ground control, Capstone is helping to lay the technical foundation for more independent and resilient operations in space. This mission not only contributes valuable insight for future lunar infrastructure, but also accelerates the technologies necessary for extended human exploration beyond Earth's orbit. EOS X Space is a trailblazer in the emerging field of space tourism, set to revolutionize how we experience travel. Targeting a 2025 launch, the company offers a 5-hour luxury journey to the edge of space, reaching an altitude of 40,000 meters, about 131,000 feet. Unlike traditional rocket launches, EOSX uses an eco-friendly helium balloon to gently lift its pressurized space capsule into the stratosphere, delivering breathtaking views of Earth against the blackness of space. Designed with comfort and elegance in mind, the capsule features panoramic windows for a sweeping view of the curvature of the Earth, reclining plush seats, an onboard bar, even a bathroom, a rare amenity in space tourism vehicles. Operating across Europe, the UAE, and the United States, EOSX is positioning itself as a global player in the premium adventure travel market. The experience is priced between €150,000 and €200,000, offering a luxurious and sustainable alternative to high-G rocket launches. By making near space accessible to private citizens, EOSX Space isn't just offering a ride, it's ushering in a new era of experiential high-altitude travel, expanding our horizons quite literally. Computational lithography is an advanced technology at the heart of modern semiconductor manufacturing. It involves the use of sophisticated algorithms, modeling, and simulations to optimize the lithographic process with extreme precision. As chip designs become increasingly smaller and more complex, traditional lithography faces significant obstacles such as diffraction effects and physical deformations. Computational lithography addresses these challenges by predicting and correcting distortions before they occur, ensuring that the intended patterns are accurately printed onto silicon wafers. This results in an exceptional level of precision and enables the creation of smaller, faster, and more energy-efficient microchips. By enhancing the fidelity of pattern transfer at the nanoscale, computational lithography plays a vital role in extending the relevance of Moore's law, which predicts the doubling of transistors on a chip approximately every 2 years. Major industry players, with ASML leading the charge, are pushing this technology to new frontiers, integrating it into cutting-edge manufacturing processes. The impact of computational lithography on chip yield, performance, and quality is profound, making it a key driver of innovation in the tech industry. As a result, it not only improves current electronics, but also lays the foundation for future technological breakthroughs, bringing about faster devices, more efficient computing, and unlocking new possibilities across multiple sectors. Holographic communication is entering a new era with the introduction of the world's first tabletop holographic media and communication device. This revolutionary technology, known as Proto-M, is changing the way we engage with digital content by creating immersive, lifelike holograms that appear to exist right in front of you. With its sleek 21.5-inch volumetric display, the device makes it feel as though the person you're speaking with, or the media you're viewing, is physically present in the room. Its applications are broad and forward-thinking, ranging from virtual shopping and immersive entertainment to telemedicine consultations, fitness instruction, digital art display, and even real-time communication. Proto-M's design is not only visually futuristic, but also practical. It's built to be portable and easy to use, allowing users to interact with holographic visuals from virtually anywhere. Whether it's a business meeting, a remote doctor's appointment, or showcasing NFTs in a gallery-like fashion, the experience feels more natural and engaging than ever before. Proto-M represents a major leap in next-generation media consumption and interaction, bringing science fiction concepts into everyday reality. It pushes the limits of how we connect, learn, and entertain, delivering a transformative digital experience directly to your tabletop.